Minto, and she's coming up here with her husband. She represents Minto and Sindigisa. So Madam Miriam Kebaya and Wycliffe, come on, with Rispa Abraham. Put your hands together for these women. Women that change and shift the atmosphere. Come on.
Oh, Sindigisa in the house. All protocols observed on behalf of Sindigisa. Sindigisa is our women group here in the DFW with over 1,000 members. We are a welfare group that we support each other in time of need and in time of good times. We go for baby showers, we go for weddings, we go for funerals, we raise money for one another, and we meet just because women, we need time to sit together and laugh and gossip. Anyway, so this women group is also an empowerment group because we want to help one another in time of need. And one of the things we have also done, we are in a foreign land. We want to bring the culture of our African heritage so that our children can learn being part of the community, learn our language, learn to help one another. So we are teaching our young ones so that they can also come together and be one and love one another. So in the foreign land, we stick together. And so before I give the microphone to our Sister Rispa and Wycliffe to talk about Minto, I want to tell you, Fred, we are so happy because we are going to be behind you. One of our requests is that you look into women's health. We have challenges in Kenya where women just die because we want to request that our young girls can have opportunities in education and excel in STEM specifically. And we also want to request that, you remove the corruption that is in the country. Where people are given opportunities, they thrive. And that's all we are looking for. And we in the diaspora, we want to partner with our local people there so that they can be able to get funding from even the diaspora to prosper. Thank you very much for coming to Dallas. Karibu sana.